X-ray tube. Cathode, the negative electrode. The cathode is the negative electrode of the X-ray tube. It contains a tungsten filament and a focusing cup. When the filament is heated, it releases electrons, a process known as thermionic emission. The focusing cup then directs these electrons toward the anode. So remember, cathode, electron generator, and electron focuser. Anode, the positive electrode. Now let's move to the anode, the positive electrode of the X-ray tube. The anode is made of tungsten, which has a high melting point and high atomic number. When high-speed electrons strike the anode, their kinetic energy is converted into X-rays, only about 1%, and the remaining 99% becomes heat. So the anode has two key functions, to produce X-rays and to dissipate heat effectively. Key concept. To summarize, cathode produces and focuses electrons. Anode converts electron energy into X-rays. The electron flow is always from cathode to anode. Close. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy radiology tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments, and I will be happy to help. Thank you.